In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add texture to text in Photoshop using a clipping mask. This is a really effective technique that can give your text a unique and engaging look by applying image textures directly onto your text layers. Let's dive in and learn how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First things first, let's launch Adobe Photoshop. Once you've opened the application, the first thing you'll need to do is create a new canvas. To do this, go to File in the top menu and select New. Here you can set the dimensions for your canvas. Choose whatever size fits your project best, but remember that larger canvases may require high-resolution images for the texturing step. Next, let's turn our attention to the text tool. You'll find this on the left-hand toolbar. It's usually represented by a T icon. Click on it, and then click anywhere on your canvas to start typing. Enter the text you'd like to apply texture to. You can adjust the font, size, and color to suit your design needs. Don't worry too much about making it perfect just yet, as we can make further adjustments later on. Now it's time to add the texture image. This is what will overlay onto your text. Go back to the File menu and select Place Embedded. Navigate to the image file on your computer and hit Place. Once the image is in your workspace, you might need to resize or reposition it so that it fully covers your text layer. You can do this by using the transform controls. Just make sure the texture image is a layer above your text. With your texture image in place, the next step is to create a clipping mask. This is what will clip the texture to the shape of the text. Right-click on the texture layer in the Layers panel, and from the drop-down menu, select Create Clipping Mask. Instantly, you'll see the texture confined to the letters, bringing your text to life with the new pattern or texture. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've added a textured look to your text using Photoshop. You can further tweak the opacity, blending modes, or add layer styles to fine-tune the final appearance of your text. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different textures and text orientations to find the look that's perfect for your project. Remember, this technique can be a powerful addition to your design toolkit, and with a little creativity, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep experimenting and designing.